Today I want to show you how to turn off and turn on LED with push button, and I will show you 4 examples. How each of example work. Before we start, I recommend you to download a document in my link description. In this document we showed you about materials and connecting to each material. After downloaded, so let's start. Example 1. We used pin number 13 for LED, and pin number 7 for push button.
All around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
Now we upload this code into Arduino Uno. After we upload, let's test it. How it work? When we press hold button, LED turn on, and when we stop to press button, LED turn off.
We are heroes tonight.
Example 2. In this example, we add one more variable and add one more condition. Now we upload this code into Arduino Uno.
Ready to explore right up in the sky.
After we upload, let's test it. How it work? When we press button, LED turn on, and when we press button again LED turn off, but we have massive problem, that sometimes it not turn on or turn off that we want to. Because Arduino Uno work too fast, if our code doesn't have delay. Normally, it works 16 million loops per second. Example 3. In this example, we are improving the codes from example 2. We add one more variable and more condition. Now we upload this code into Arduino Uno. After we upload, let's test it. How it better? Now it better than example 2, but we still have some problem when we press button. Generally, push button has bouncing. So when we click for a time, it will bounce to 3 or 5 times of click that we didn't know. Example 4. In this final example, we are fixing bouncing of push button. So we add more delay and condition if push button bouncing. Now we upload this code into Arduino Uno. After we upload, let's test it. Now it perfect work. Push button was fixed for debouncing. So when we press button, the code will check bouncing. If bouncing, it will delay for 10 milliseconds. So we can press fastly that you want. It worked. Thank you for watching.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.